I came across the post on Facebook saying Utunda will be a replacement Yaga Mbogazi. Please understand something. There are some players who can be replaced and other players who cannot be replaced. Our players who cannot be replaced are Aboitumelo Nkuni Kaizer Chiefs, William Katsane Kaizer Chiefs, Bennett Parker. Those kind of players cannot be replaced. I don't care who says what, those players are not going to be replaced. Lapana Orlando Pirates, we thought we struggled after Ulo Salingaham. We struggled a bit to find a replacement, but we did finally find a replacement in Oswinapolis. Sepang Moremi replaced Ngago left. No, I can't say replaced. No, I didn't replace them. Abo Lodge are those players who cannot be replaced. Jerry's Kosan, some of the players who cannot be replaced. Abo Jomosono, Abo Mabizela. No, I think Mabizela has been replaced by. No. Cannot be replaced. Dr. Kumar, those players can't be replaced. Same Nombogas, he cannot be replaced. It's just too disrespectful to say Gutunda is going to replace Umbogazi. I don't care who says what. The profile of players between Umbogazi and Nonda are different. Two different profile of players. Different profile of players. So for you to say Umbogazi has been replaced or will be replaced by Oli Sanda is gonna be a long time. Sundowns, you look at our playing are being replaced anytime soon. Mshishi can't be replaced anytime soon. Williams, Kuliso Mudau, Reyners, I'm not sure. Maybe because there's a lot of competition in La Payana. Maybe Reyners, yes, but Naganjan Mrembula cannot be replaced. It's gonna take us years and years to find a replacement. Mrembula. It's gonna take us a long time to find a replacement. Mrembula. Some players can't be replaced. Some can be, but some can't. They cannot.